Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. In this video, we'll be talking about some stocks which have entered the ASM watchlist and also some stocks which have exited it. Now, so far, all of us, I believe, know what the ASM entry or exit is like. It's just like a death knell for the stocks which enter it, and there is a huge fall, whereas the stocks which exit the list are rewarded by the markets. Please watch this video to know more about these stocks. Now friends, the stocks which have entered the list include Gujarat Ambuja Exports Limited, VIP Industries, Morpen Labs, and also the few stocks which have exited the list include Prakash Industries, Lloyd Steel Industries, and National Peroxide. Now friends, please be very careful with these stocks. All these stocks which have entered the list are expected to fall going forward over the next few days, whereas the stocks which have exited the list like National Peroxide, Lloyd Steel Industries and Prakash Industries may be expected to have a bounce. Now also be very careful, stocks like Lloyd Steel Industries is only a penny stock, so exercise extreme due diligence. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. Have a good day.